East Hotel Metro. That's on Capitol.
Come to the stop sign, I got you.
That's on Mayland. That's on Mayland. That's on Mayland.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Get your hand behind your back! Behind your back!
Hey, 96 Atlanta, we got one detained.
Four of us coming at y'all, where y'all at? There's several coming back towards Lee Street right now, coming back towards Lee Street, off of University Avenue. Keep drawing, there's four of us coming through you. Northbound, we can get across the railroad track now. I can't see him, I'm behind traffic. What's your 20 now?
896 Atlanta. If you're looking for myself and 771, we're on Mayland. Off the Catherine. Swap that. Alright, that's fine.
943 Atlanta, they're going to be southbound on Lee Street, correction. Northbound coming towards me now. Northbound coming towards me.
Hit my car, did it? No, I'm good. You're good.
You're not sure.
You can go. You need to go. I don't know where they're at.
This might just be street lights.
Hey, he's leaking fuel pretty bad.
Okay. How we 1095 one now? 943, 1095. Got a 4 copy 1095. Is there anyone else currently today?
771, I'm 1095 with mine.
Good for 943, I'm sorry, 1051. Careful. They tell me Lee at Main is where we're at. Lee at Main. Careful. Main 961, we're going to use 1051 as well. Mayland and Catherine.
I didn't see one. Got a man-made kickstand right here. I don't.
Right here.
7541. 7548. Lot 940, 36 mile for. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's usually on
It's going to be a quarter, 9 millimeters.
Yeah, it's usually stamped on there somewhere.
Tom Lincoln X-ray 44249. Tom Lincoln X-ray 44249. 10-4, stand by.
Let's see. Oh, right.
I'll go to 1039.
I think it's
right
down that little flat piece right there. It's stamped. I just
Going to do a line for 38.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, gotcha.
Ain't no point in us burning our hands
No.
right now. Let it cool.
That was 22.
We'll get it in a minute.
I'm 20 east at Moreland. 20 east is for Moreland. Black motorcycle, can't read the tag.
COM.
Here, I'll write it down. Just read it out.
I got you. COM.
One second, I got a badge, so you gotta put it on your hand.
Yeah, what's that?
4040 something.
What pen?
Try
CLM
40402, I think.
40402.
Yeah, Charles Ocean Mary 40402 is all I can make out for now.
7548, no record on that 1032, no record found. Cool.
Clear on it's not going to come back to anything.
Yeah.
Did you call for a 51?
Now that you come back, you call, we got the dirt bike.
Yep.
722 line out. We still rolling 50 miles an hour. Therefore, I get a 10-3. I'll let you know if we get 1080. I'm just letting you know. We just got on back to Inglewood, I believe.
I guess you gonna take primary on it?
Yeah, I got all of it.
We're just getting out.
Since I guess technically I lit them up first.
We're good. He's up.
Up to you.
It don't matter either way. I can work 10 minutes, but you ain't got extra reports.
42 42.
You having fun?
I need a transport unit for 2 at Stratford Drive and Delmar Lane. Stratford Drive and Delmar Lane, going to Creekshaw.
Where's he going, Rice Street?
I mean, I would say pre-trial. I don't think we really got that fast. I mean, we were just on the side streets.
Yeah, but what's the speed limit?
I don't know.
About 30, 35.
That's the thing.
Whatever, we can go miss me. That way we ain't gotta go Rice Street.
With APD, I've got Fulton County. Let me know.
Yeah, we'll get 943 on the phone, see if he's good with it. Because I don't know that anybody else has gone to Rice Street today.
I don't think really been taking it.
771 to 943. When you're not 10-6, give me 21.
Yeah, I'll do it since I was primary.
Okay.
I'm about to say I'll do that anyway.
All right.
Since I lit them up first and it technically ran for me.
Do you have a UF? Use of force? Or, no.
No, I think it's just pulled.
Okay. I pulled taser only, so
That was it, yeah.
yeah,
That was all
I'll shoot you all my info. Exit.
We gotta do that? That's use of force still?
Deployed and aimed. Because I did power it on. If he went to bolt, he was gonna get tased.
No. I pulled mine out too and was ready to rock.
What's his OLN?
053
Okay.
678
Gotcha.
953.
Got it.
He's got a CM license.
Expired.
It's what?
Expired commercial. He ain't gonna have a CM license after today.
It says 4/26/2025. Is that what you're saying?
His non-commercial's valid.
Oh.
His commercial status is expired.
What year that thing is, if he knows it.
You what?
Ask him what year that piece is.
Ah.
Go 08.
Should be written on there.
Just go 08.
Should be on
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
549 Atlanta.
There's a lot of things that should be written on.
549. 23 at 3 trial. Ending OR 38270. 38270.
See where pre-trial's at?
Yeah, be
I
happy
was
to.
about to say, I don't even know. I don't think it comes off. I don't think. Is this a dirt bike?
926 line.
Pop it up.
Yeah, I thought the seats popped up in storage.
Don't look like it.
Maybe not.
I know y'all busy.
Yeah.
But there's not a tow truck that's on the CAD call. I need to be en route to 393 and 776 patrol car damage. 517.
You what?
Metro.
Absolutely not.
For you.
Nope. No, sir. Nope, that's not it. We don't work for APD. We work for the State Patrol. That don't apply to us. Okay? All right.
Tell them not to leave. I got to take photos.
Yes, because that's within the state boundaries. We can operate anywhere within the state boundaries, and we have our own policies and procedures. So let me ask you, you want this man out trying to run over your kids? Is that what you're saying? Because he's about the 38th one we've arrested today. That's how we're helping.
call. We're not in his world, that's not helping. He's a lost cause.
Alright, stand by. 059, what's that location again?
It's still ain't on that. That's gotta be weird.
Yeah, hang on, 138 or 305 or 939 without a cage. Just go to 482, please.
It's got wheels and a motor. We can chase it. He's looking at. That's where he's looking up our policy.
That's fine. He can look it up.
We can chase anything.
Yeah.
It's got wheels and a motor. We can chase it.
Yeah.
Period.
Chase policies online. He can look it up if he wants. I don't know, man. I'm assuming that other side's going to be the stamp.
Yeah.
Does anybody need a record that doesn't have one already? 943 line, I need one. 943. 896 line, clear, I need a 1051. 10-4, 896. 926, next week. 926, I called yours a while ago. I don't know why they're not there yet. I sent you an email because I couldn't get through on the radio. Got any units on Peter Street? I got a dirt bike popping wheelies, wrong lane to travel, driving reckless.
He's got $2 in cash in his wallet.
Hey, 96, Atlanta. Hey, 96. You will start me at 1080 on the CAD. Between myself and 771, I'll be primary.
You want to let your wife know that you're going to jail?
Yep.
Yeah.
You want?
I mean, can I call when I get there?
I mean, she's already texting you asking if you're having fun. I figured she probably want to know that you're going to jail, not going to be home for a while.
Yeah, she
don't know. She
thinks I'm riding the park. She don't know I'm riding the streets and shit.
Yeah,
That's
so
my
you
first time doing that.
don't want her to know that you're going to jail? I just don't want her to think you died or something. And her start calling the hospital.
I can call her later, right?
I don't know. It might be 7-8 hours before we get a phone call. You know, if you would have pulled over, dude, you just would have got a ticket, and your bike would have been towed. You wouldn't be facing felony charges now.
Felony charges?
Yeah.
938, Atlanta.
Yep.
938.
Yep.
I got a van and an oil man if you'll wait till this.